In today's video, I will be attempting to make my very own do-it-yourself matte nail polish using cornstarch and comparing the results to my favorite drugstore brand, Sally Hansen's Matte Top Coat. And who is going to be the winner of this? If you're interested in finding out, stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Debbie and welcome to Thine Own Style Be True. And on this channel, you will receive easy style and beauty techniques to help you feel confident because I want to help you rock your true you. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I upload 2 new videos a week. If you are watching this video, you are interested in nail design and nail care, and I am too. After years, my nails became weak and damaged from acrylic dipped and gel nails, and it was time to just remove it and just let my nails breathe. And now I really enjoy a nail treatment at home, and it's been so fun to play with different colors and different designs, and the matte look is one of them. The reason why I love matte nail polish is because it looks really chic. Chic in a very understated way, very modern, nice and clean. So if you haven't tried it and you've always just been a glossy nail girl, I invite you to try the matte look.